Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the time format from 24-hour to 12-hour time format. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, search for control panel. Once you have typed it, go for the best match, double tap to open. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at the control panel window, if in your case it doesn't look like this, then go for view by and change it into category. Okay, so once done, proceed to clock and region, which is under appearance and personalization. Click on it, and here it has two options, which are date and time and region. Now in our case, we'll be proceeding to region. Click on it, and the moment you've clicked it, this region window will appear. Here under the date and time formats, proceed to the two options which are short time and long time. Under the short time, we'll be changing this into HHMMTT. Again, HHMMTT. Click on it. And here in the long time, we'll be changing this into HHMMSSTT. Click on it and then click on apply and OK. So in that manner, we have just successfully changed our time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.